Dear friends, The Wreck of the Titanic. It is a beautiful poem written by Benjamin Peckett. It is about one of the greatest tragedies at sea. On 14th April 1912, the Titanic, which carried 2,100 passengers and crew, collided with an iceberg and sank into the depths of the Atlantic Ocean. The profile of the writer, Benjamin Peckett. Benjamin Peckett was an American poet. His famous collection of poems includes Spoons of Silver and Spoons of Tin and other poems. He has written a lot of short poems. The Wreck of the Titanic is one of his famous poems. The Titanic was the grandest and largest ships ever built. All its passengers felt very safe on board. However, disaster struck when it was hit by an iceberg. The courage of his captain and crew were remarkable. First of all, we are going to discuss about the poetic devices. Metaphor, example, a poem of iron and steel, a sea dream. Then personification. She sung with the stream, watched her steaming away. Two examples of personification. Some simple notes about the historical reference of 5 incidents: Trafalgar, Alamo, Waterloo, the Light Brigade, Jim Bledsoe. Trafalgar, the Battle of Trafalgar was a naval engagement fought by the Royal Navy against the combined fleets of the French and the Spanish navies. Alamo, the Battle of Alamo, related to Texas Revolution. Then Waterloo, the famous Battle of Waterloo was fought on 18th June 1815. Near Waterloo, in the present-day Belgium, Emperor Napoleon was defeated by the armies of the Seventh Coalition. The Light Brigade, the charge of the Light Brigade was the charge of the British Light against Russian forces in 1854. Jim Bledsoe was an engineer who died while saving the lives of the passengers of a boat called the Prairie Belle on the Mississippi River. He became instantly popular, and John Hay wrote a poem about him. What is the central theme of The Wreck of the Titanic? The courage and sacrifice of Captain Smith and his crew is the central theme. Some important explanations. What is ominous form which loomed? The towering and gigantic mountain of iceberg. A poem of iron and steel. Why Titanic is described like that? It was the grandest and largest of all ships. Next question. Why was Captain Smith called brave? He did not try to save his life at the time of tragedy. Who got top priority at the time of tragedy? Women and children got top priority. What was the awfully grand scene? The sight of the sinking ship with his band playing a great song. Titanic be remembered for the noble and true courage shown by the captain and their crew. For the noble and true courage shown by the captain and his crew. On another question, the wreck of the Titanic. Prepare a speech at the beginning of the journey by the captain. Captain speech. Captain speech. How can we make a speech? As far as any speech is concerned, there is a need of a salutation. Then welcoming the passengers, introductory remarks about the journey, about the ship, about the journey, guidance, best wishes, then prayer. So these are the ingredients of a speech. You can easily make a speech. Describe the ship, describe the passengers, describe the beauty of the journey. Captain speech. Now another question, what are the qualities of a captain? The major qualities of a captain are self-confidence, harmonious relationship with fellow travelers, hardworking, a role model, a good leader, a man of positive thinking, a good decision maker, a courageous man, a trustful person, a good communicator, a man of team spirit, a man of commitment, a good mentor. So these are the qualities of a good captain. That's a very important question. The qualities of a good captain: self-confidence, hardworking, role model, positive thinking, decision maker, courageous, trustful, good communicator, take responsibility, team spirit, commitment, mentor. So these are the important qualities of a good captain. We can see all those qualities in Captain Smith. Qualities of a good captain: self-confidence, hardworking, role model, positive thinking, decision maker, courageous, trustful, good communicator, team spirit. Another important question is to write a newspaper report about the accident. First of all, headline, a title is required, byline is required, paragraphs are required, then certain WH, that is who, what, where, why, how, when, certain codes of the victims and the affected persons are also be included. A personal comment by the writer, by the reporter, is also essential to make a beautiful newspaper report. One more possible question related to this unit is narrate a familiar experience, narrate one of your familiar experience of heroism. You can write the story of Bhagat Singh or any other great personality for your examination, who dedicated their life for others, a life lived for others. Thank you. Have a nice day.